How to remove background in Capcut? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of your video using Capcut. Stick with me till the end and let's dive right in. Open Capcut app in your device. A home page will appear of Capcut. Tap New Project. After that, you have been prompted to your photo library. Once selected your video or photo, tap Add to import it into the timeline. Now the Capcut editing dashboard is on your screen, with the tools on the bottom. Tap on the clip in the timeline to highlight it. Scroll through the bottom toolbar and find the Remove Background such as Remove BG option from menu. Tap Remove Background, and the app will automatically process your clip to isolate the subject. Review the clip to ensure the background removal looks clean. There are any errors, use masking tools or reposition the subject for better results. Export your video. Once satisfied, tap the Export button at the top right corner, choose your settings, and save your video. And that's how you remove the background in Capcut. It's a super easy process to make your videos look more professional and creative. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.